Hello there, how are you all doing? And welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today we will be discussing Hadrosauridae creatures. And we have the brand new Hammond Collection, Corythosaurus, if I'm pronouncing that right. We will be comparing to the Dino Escape Ouranosaurus and the Primal Attack Edmontosaurus. I hope it is a Primal Attack or Cretaceous. I don't remember anymore. It's been a while. So let's get to it. Let's unbox the Corythosaurus. Alright, it is from Jurassic Park 3. The logo's right there. I didn't even know there was a Corythosaurus in that movie. So let's check it out here. So it's right there. It's part of the Hadrosaurus. It's right there. They're running away from the velociraptors, I think, here. Oh, let's see it here. With a defining duckbill and head crest, the Corythosaurus stampedes onto the scene as Dr. Alan Grant and Paul and Amanda Kirby desperately flee from the velociraptors on Isla Sorna. Okay, so, yep. Alright, let's check it out then. Let's open it up. While I'm opening this up, I just want to say thank you again for all the support, for the likes and the subscribes. We are doing great. Also, there will be links on the description. If you click the bottom on this video, there will be links on any related creatures. Just click that. So yeah, there you go. Let's take the box away. Okay. Alright, let's pull the tail out first. Okay. Alright. So this is the one of a kind. It doesn't have a variant yet. Made this review here at Hammond Collection. Oh my goodness, it's wired up. Okay, here it is. Let's put the tail in. Oh wow, that's hard. Oh my gosh. Am I doing it right? No. Okay, there you go. It's in. Alright, so let's start from the mouth. It opens up. It looks a little funny. Yeah. Okay. Oh, so the wrist doesn't move. The arms does. Okay, so it has a good articulation in it. The tail is rubberized. You can move it. See? There you go. Nice color. I think I need one more of these because it doesn't have a variant yet. So I'll get another one and paint it green instead of black. I'm going to paint it green over here. Yeah. Alright, let's compare to its family now. Let's start from the Edmontosaurus. You can see, okay, has a sound. They are duck-billed dinosaurs. Okay, different body type, but they are related, they're family. Alright. So when you swing this guy, it makes a sound. You just shake it, it has a sound. Then on the Dino Escape Ouranosaurus, it is also, they have a similar face. But this Ouranosaurus has a sail. It walks on 4 legs. It has a 3-step switch here. The neck moves and has a different sound. There you go, it goes down. Yeah. So yeah. However, the Hammond Collection doesn't make sounds. It's only definitely for collectors, for display only. No sound at all, and no scanning DNA. They don't do that. None on the back, none on the heel or the leg. None. But it is worth your money though. It's really a nice collection. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you again. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again. Oh, also the next video we will be... So my son, Sephiroth, he just bought the Hammond Collection Brachiosaurus yesterday. It is a big boy. we will be reviewing that this Sunday. All right, then tomorrow will be another new short. All right, I definitely appreciate everything again. Thank you again. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.